hands out your bag.
Get your hand out of your bag. Hand out of your bag.
it's okay.
Hands out of your bag.
Hands out.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Don't do that.
Oh my God.
I got my headphones. I'll grab them. Go ahead. I guarantee you going on the ground.
It's okay.
Cut it out. Cut it out.
Well, you want to, you put us here, didn't you?
Stop.
You put us here.
You still resisting.
You don't have to.
Stop resisting.
I will hate for you to be on this ground.
Ma'am, I'm about to put you on the ground. Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Okay, stay right there, just like that.
I'm not resisting.
Thank you.
I'm not resisting.
Relax. Stop tensing.
I am not resisting.
Understand.
Okay? I am not resisting.
Stop.
Oh, wait.
On the afternoon of the 11th of November 2025, Key West officers were called to a local establishment regarding a disruptive individual refusing to leave. What started as a simple trespassing warning quickly escalated into a physical confrontation as the suspect, Olah Eva Erika, began to resist the officer's commands on camera.
What's going on?
I cannot believe. I was meditating in the beach. She came over and she said, I cannot meditate on the beach.
Absolutely you cannot. All parks and beaches in Key West are closed from 11 p.m. to 7 a.m.
I told her, it's okay, I go home. But she was like, oh my God, no.
So, whenever you're breaking, involved in a crime, which you were, because it's a violation of the ordinance, right? We are required to ID. If she was asking for your ID, she was more than right.
Yeah, I was looking for my ID.
Okay, so I don't know what the issue is then.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah.
Okay, so where?
So, okay, what is the problem if I am meditating on the beach?
Because the parks and beaches are closed. All parks and beaches are closed in Key West by city ordinance.
Okay, I didn't know.
If you don't like that, you can take it up with the city.
I said I didn't know. I was like really nicely, I'm sorry, I didn't know. Okay, and I go home. And she was like, no.
You can't go home until your ID is.
You can't go home until your ID.
Okay.
All right.
Yes, sir. How you say yes, sir? For
Can we put down the phone and get the ID out?
no, yeah, I have it. Yeah, I have on my phone.
Your ID's
I'm
on your
looking
phone.
I'm looking for. Yeah,
Okay.
1 second.
So she's been looking for ID for the last
Yes.
for the last couple minutes I've been here.
Okay.
I've been very patient, very
I can see
nice.
that.
She pulled out her phone, started recording, which she has every right to do.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm just looking for my ID.
She does have a right to record, however, she can't obstruct our ability to ID her. So, because Florida's a stop and ID state.
Yeah, I'm looking for my ID because it's my own
Okay, well,
my phone.
Well, let's work on that.
But even I didn't have my glasses.
What?
No, I have my glasses somewhere. It's okay. I have to remember where. If it's my my WhatsApp or in my.
Alright, so Miss Erika, usually when people find reasons or not immediately identify themselves, it could be something wrong.
Sorry?
She's trying to explain to you that most people, when they don't want to ID themselves initially, there's something wrong.
No, I have.
Okay.
But I'm looking for if it's my WhatsApp or in my Messenger.
Okay. All right. If that doesn't work, we can do name and date of birth.
No, I haven't. Don't worry. Because I changed my number, so everything gone from my WhatsApp. But I hope, you see, I told you. But I was here at the corner, so I can give you my passports.
You live in Casa Marina?
No, I live here at the corner. Yeah.
So you do understand why I stopped you now, correct? Right?
Sorry?
You do understand why I stopped you, right?
I know why you stopped me.
Right.
Yeah, because I was meditating.
Okay.
Well, that's not really the reason. The reason was because you're in park and beaches after hours. That's the reason.
Yeah, but I didn't know I can
I
meditate.
understand, but that
at
was the
beach.
reason
But
she
that's
stopped
the
you.
reason why.
That was the reason she stopped you.
So it
I
takes for another officer to come here and explain that to you, because I've already explained that to you. And then during my explanation, you want to pull out the phone and do everything else, and you're supposed to be out here trying to find your ID.
Okay, so wait a minute. I was here meditating, right? And you stopped me because I was meditating, right? I didn't do any crime.
According to the city, you did.
Crime?
Yeah, the crime is, so we have ordinance violations, right? And the ordinance violation is a crime. After warning, which just right now is your warning, if you come back here again after hours, you can absolutely be arrested.
On the beach?
100%, yes.
Really?
Spell your
Yes.
last name for me.
I was meditating on the beach.
Spell your last
I'm not
name.
arguing about
One
what you're doing.
second.
I'm not
I
arguing
was-
about. I'm not arguing about what you were doing. I'm not arguing about where you were at what time of day.
Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't
Yes.
know I
Okay.
was meditating on the beach.
Let's get to the ID.
Okay, yeah, 1 second.
I've been waiting more than 1 second. I'm about to get a little bit more impatient. Okay. Because after a certain point, it becomes an unreasonable amount of time.
It's okay. We go and I give
No.
you my passport.
No.
It's okay.
Spell your first name.
1 second, ma'am.
No. So that's not how this is going to work. Spell your first name.
Ma'am.
Listen to me. Spell your first name.
EVA.
Spell your middle name.
ERYCA.
K or Q?
K.
Okay. Spell your last
A. OLAH.
O-L-A.
OLAH.
Okay.
Yeah.
Date of birth.
09/12/74.
Okay. What state is your ID out of?
What's what?
What state is your ID out of? Do you have a driver's license in Florida?
Yeah, no. From Hungary. Hungary.
Okay, Hungary. So
Yeah.
you don't have a U.S. driver's license.
No, I don't have license here.
Do you have an ID here?
No, I have my. I just live here.
Okay. How long have you been living here?
Ma'am, how long have you lived here?
No, I don't have.
How long?
I don't have to.
How long
I
have you
check-
lived here?
I don't have to answer.
Oh, yes,
You
you
actually,
do.
you 100%.
No,
you
I
don't-
don't.
Here, do you want
I
me?
don't.
Do you want me to explain why you have to answer?
I don't have to.
Okay. So if you're gonna,
I don't have
So
to.
here's what you're bordering on. It's something called obstruction. You're
Sir,
obstructing our ability.
sir,
No.
sir.
You're listening to me talk right now.
Sir,
No.
I
I'm
don't
not listening
have
to. Ma'am, you're about to go in handcuffs. You're about to go in handcuffs. I'm warning you right now.
Sir.
Stop talking right now and listen to me.
Okay.
When we ask you questions,
I said.
like how long you've lived here,
Get your hands out your bag.
get your hand out of your bag. Hand out
No,
of your
no,
bag.
it's
Take
okay.
your
Hands out of your
out of your bag.
Hands out.
What are
Yeah,
you
go ahead.
doing? What are you doing?
resisting. Stop resisting. Don't do that.
Oh
Cuffs
my
out.
I got my
God.
headphones. I'll grab them. Go ahead.
But what
I'm gonna put you on the
No,
ground.
it's
I
okay.
guarantee you going on the ground.
It's okay. You
Cut it
don't
out.
have to do
Cut it
that.
out.
Well, you want to know
Stop.
you put
You
us here,
don't have
didn't you?
to
Stop.
do that.
Stop.
You
If
put us here.
you still resisting,
You don't have
Stop
I am
resisting.
Not.
I will
I'm
hate for you
not
to be on this ground,
resisting.
Ma'am, I'm
Stop.
about to put you on the ground.
I'm not
Stop
I'm
resisting.
not resisting.
okay, stay right there, just like that.
I'm not resisting.
Thank you.
I'm not resisting.
Relax. Stop tensing.
I am not resisting.
Understand.
Okay? I am not resisting.
Stop.
Oh wait.
No wait.
No weights.
No.
Nope, that don't go like that.
Oh my God. I have to go to the restroom.
Well,
Oh.
if you would have cooperated a long time ago, you would have been in the restroom. You wouldn't even
What?
be here right now. You don't listen.
Hey, you know what?
We don't have to listen to you right now.
No. Hey, no, but wait a minute. Hey, that is my bag.
That's okay.
We'll take care of it.
That is my bag.
You want me to?
my God. Oh my God.
Go to the car, please.
Can you pour it at the waist?
Actually, you want to go to my car?
Yeah.
Let's go to my car. You want to do me a favor now?
You know what? You were in a big trouble.
100%. We're going to be in great big
You
trouble.
were in heaven.
All right, do you have anything on you?
Oh
They'll
my
put me, stick me,
God.
stab me. Any weapons of
I
any kind?
shit on my pants. Jesus.
Do you have anything
What
on
you do?
Put me, stick me, stab me. No?
Okay, what you do? What you do?
Nothing on you. Hey, Aaron, you want to search her real quick?
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Stop resisting.
No, I'm not.
Ma'am, I will put you
But
over the hood of this car.
no.
I don't know what your camera is.
What you do?
She's resisting me right now.
Yeah, I can feel it.
Hey, I hope you have the camera.
I have 100% my camera on.
No,
this entire
they
time.
have camera on your.
There's a camera. Look.
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
blinking red light. That's
Exactly.
a camera. Absolutely.
You have the camera, okay? You see? Holy. Holy.
Call me 10:15.
No, I shoot on my
No,
dad. You see? You see everybody? You see what they do? You see?
All right, ma'am.
Nobody
If you take anything, you
resists.
to the jail.
Nobody resists. Nobody. They are fucking. Oh, step it. Oh.
There you go. What?
Look to your left.
What? What do you
Away from
do?
the
your
away.
Oh.
All right, let's go get her bag.
It's in the bag, but
It blew away. All right, he can run through that bag.
yeah, I have more.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm just trying to see, like, I don't have any ID. Oh, wait a second. Looks like we got. She's a crap ton of small bills in here. She's got a crap ton of small bills in this bag.
I mean, I got one head coming over here, so the rookie could get some training.
So if you look in here, she's got this whole thing that's full of cash. Small bills, large bills. I don't know how much is in there. Yeah, watch that. The wind is ridiculous.
You got something heavy over there?
Not
I'll
really.
just search it. I'll just, yeah.
The bag?
I'll let them search the bag. Man.
If you want to take, I don't know if you guys want to put this in property or what.
Yeah, they'll put it in the front. I just want, yeah, there we go. That's
Because I want to, and then I guess you can put up the bike.
You got the
Right there.
perfect. Okay.
Down.
I shit on
Sit
myself.
down.
I said,
Sit down.
hey, oh my God, sit down, like I'm a criminal. What the fuck? I shit myself on.
Sit down.
Hey, I said I shit myself on because you were very aggressive with me. Fucking aggressive, man.
No.
Okay, I need a new pants, okay? That's it. Hey, where is my bag? Where is my bag? It's not with you.
Your bag is being put in property for safekeeping.
What?
So she is super lovely.
No, it's not.
And
I said I shit myself because they were aggressive, so I would like to
What size shoes do you wear, ma'am?
Sorry?
What size shoes do you wear?
36.
Following the struggle, Olah Eva Erika was successfully handcuffed and transported to the Monroe County Detention Center. She was officially charged with trespassing after a warning and resisting an officer without violence. Police reports state that Erika's refusal to comply with lawful orders necessitated a physical takedown to ensure public safety. After being processed, she was held on a set bond awaiting her initial court appearance. While the charges are misdemeanors, the Bodycam footage has been preserved as key evidence for the prosecution. The case remains open as the Florida 16th Judicial Circuit Court schedules further hearings.